Replacing an asset within the content management system. The benefit of replacing an asset versus uploading a new asset is anywhere that that document or image is currently used within the content management system will automatically be updated with that new updated image or document. If you upload a new image, you would need, or document, you would need to go back into your content in each individual area. You need that update to happen and make that manual update. To update an image, first find the image or document in your asset tree on the left here. Find that asset you want to update, click on it. Once here, you will notice in this right asset pane, underneath the thumbnail of the asset, you have the option to upload new. However, it is grayed out. That is because this asset is not assigned to me to be able to edit it. I will need to advance this asset to myself through workflow so that I can edit it. To do that, in this row of icons underneath your tabs in the right pane, you'll find the Advance in Workflow button. It looks like a square, a plus, and a diamond. If I click on that button, in the first drop down, what I want to do, in the second drop down, who I want to do it. So my option in this first drop down is update the asset, and then I will assign it to myself. And then click Advance in Workflow. Now you will notice Upload New is blue and able to be used. If I click on Upload New, just like I did when I added the asset, I can now navigate to where I have my graphic. To replace the current graphic that I have. Once I find that graphic, I select it and drag it and drop it into that area. Note, if the image is not named exactly the same as it currently is, when you replace it, it will create a copy and not replace the actual image. So you do want to make sure that it is named exactly the same, including capitals and spelling. Once I have confirmed that, I will select Upload. Now you'll notice that my icon or my thumbnail changes and my image has been replaced. Now you will need to advance this to the live server so that it is replaced within the live content of your website. To do so, click on that Advance in Workflow button again, submit it for publishing, and assign it to yourself again, and then Advance in Workflow. The next time that we do a publish on the content management system, your image will go live and automatically be replaced wherever it is used. This is replacing an asset within the content management system.